Let's talk about Lavazza Jolie red coffee machine. Quiet, only 44 dB when brewing. 10 bar pressure for perfect crema-topped espresso. Compact, the Jolie is only 12 centimeters wide. I'm told this thing makes decent coffee. I don't drink it. It can take either Lavazza branded coffee pods or third-party ones made by other companies. I understand that it's possible to make your own pods, but not something we've tried. I can now confidently make coffee for people who drink it. Previously it was instant or make it yourself. Brilliant little coffee machine. Small footprint, quiet and quick, but most of all, excellent tasting coffee. Would definitely recommend without hesitation. Lavazza coffee is the best and this machine works a treat.